Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag indunjaba. The Ojibwe word for June is Ode'imini-giizis. Ode'imini-giizis. Ode'imin is the Ojibwe word for strawberry, and there's just simply a practical reason. June is when the strawberries become ripe. In the Ojibwe culture, the strawberry is an especially important berry, not just because it is among the first to ripen, but it's considered a sacred food. It's mentioned in life ceremonies, even in the final rite at our traditional funerals. And the deeper meaning of the word for strawberry, ode, in Ojibwe pertains to someone's heart, and then min is a food root. So ode'imin is like heartberry. So Ode'imini-giizis is the Ojibwe word for June, strawberry moon. And in the Ojibwe calendar, there are 13 lunar cycles, and between the 13 lunar cycles and then geographic variation and even weather variation across Ojibwe culture, it's not uncommon that there may be more than one correct word for the name for a month, but typically Ode'imini-giizis for June. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.